Yeah, these cities will make you believe that you can't touch. You say, I'm not. You be like, what? Say, hell if I ain't. Yeah, these cities will do that to you. I ain't what? Say, say, the other joke, this joke is, what went up? It looks like it ain't never coming down. She's like, come on, come on, come on, come on. What's the answer? She's like, my dick. Then the other one was, uh, Adam made a new invention. He made a clock out of an apple. And he showed Eve. He says, about goddamn time, ain't it?